Welcome to the brand new Four Seasons Minneapolis. It's located in downtown Minneapolis and it's near the North Loop and the Stone Arch Bridge, overlooking the Mississippi River, and it's absolutely stunning. I'm Emily, I'm a mom of 4 and we love to travel. We're based in the Midwest, so we love exploring some of the top luxury hotels to visit with kids all throughout the Midwest. Our family of 6 is staying in the Presidential Riverview Suite, I believe it's called, and we have a connecting room for the kids. It's just a standard Riverview room, and there's a little hallway connecting the two, which is absolutely perfect for our family. Thank you so much to the Four Seasons Minneapolis for hosting us this weekend so we can explore all the cool features of the hotel and show you why it's the perfect fit for families like ours. I'm going to walk you around the room and show you some of our favorite features that we've loved so far. This is our second day in this room and we actually don't want to leave, so this might be our new home. As you can see, this is the front entryway to get in, and the kids connecting room actually goes through here. There's a little hallway, which normally that remains open if you don't have a connecting room, and then the kids room is 2837. So I'll take you on a quick tour of the kids' room. As you can see, it can be its own standalone room, but it can also be connected via that hallway to the adults' room. So this is where it leads to the hallway, and then this is the bedroom itself. We've got 2 queen beds, which is plenty of room for the kids to share, and then they also have this great view of the city. There's a few things I wanted to make note about for this room is that there are drapes to cover the floor-to-ceiling windows that you can close so that the kids can actually get some sleep just with the press of a button. The bathrooms are very spacious. You'll find child-sized and adult-sized Four Seasons signature robes awaiting you for comfort and cuteness in your photos. And because the hotel is so new, you have outlets with USB port options in addition to normal outlets. And then you'll notice that the lights have options from bright to dim to night light. So this is perfect for families. But back to our room. Right when you enter, you have this just stunning bathroom. Look at this tub. I want to live here. And the best part is that you can't see on the video, the floors are heated. It's incredible. Of course, you have this shower, and you can shower with a view. Check that out. Seriously. And I'm obsessed with the shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. It smells amazing. The rainfall shower heads and marble tile everywhere. It's just stunning. Of course, here's where you can adjust all the lighting. You can turn on the night light, keep the shade open or closed. So if I press close, here's what it looks like. If you want a little bit more privacy. Pretty sweet. Frame mirrors. All right, let's walk into the room. Come through this hallway and you find your gorgeous, amazingly comfortable bed. We've got a little dining table with, of course, some champagne and one of these smashed chocolates, which was so fun to eat last night. Yes, we got gold glitter all over our fingers. TV, and this lovely little sitting area. Of course, the best part is the view. Take it in. If you're staying here with kids, this does turn into a pull-out bed, as you can see. So you can have more space for little ones sleeping in here with you. Of course, one of our favorite features is the tablet that you can communicate, use to order food or get assistance, because who wants to talk on the phone? And we're going to show you how that works right now. All right, so we are going to show you how to schedule your turn down service. This is a really cool feature. So then you can let them know exactly when you're going to be out of the room. And the kids are being crazy. Okay.
My shoulder, Bertie. Wait. Stand up right here.
Select turn down service. And you can schedule your time.
Get me.
finally, don't forget you have this wireless charger, some more waters, a phone if you need it, and you can control the drapes and shades on the main window as well. Of course, you have the standard Nespresso coffee maker. We can't get enough of this coffee. We've already both had 2 cups this morning. Thank goodness for turn down service. I absolutely am in love with the bottles that the water comes in. And then there's your little bar menu and instructions for the Nespresso. You can find extra materials in the drawer here. And there's a snack bar down below there. While these soaking tubs do feel big enough to swim in, there are actual pools at the Four Seasons Minneapolis. Both are located on the 4th floor, which the manager that walked us around the hotel told us the 4th floor is known as the fun floor. So there is an outdoor pool and also an indoor heated pool. There are lots of lounge chairs to choose from around the indoor pool, but it's not like we could have the time to sit in the lounge chairs because we had 4 children to entertain in the pool. But if your kids are a little older and can entertain themselves in the pool, you definitely can take a spot near the window, enjoy the view, and watch your kids have fun at the same time. I also wanted to mention that the terrace leading out to the outdoor pool has a snow melt system, so you can visit out there on a nice day in fall, winter, or spring because it's cold year-round here in the Midwest. There's also a hot tub in both the indoor and outdoor pool area. Pool services and amenities include complimentary towels, ice water, sunscreen, aloe vera, and even floaties. Again, another choice that makes this super kid-friendly. And I don't know if they still have it, but when we visited, there was like a little snack closet located right next to the indoor pool where you could grab little drinks and snacks for the kids because we know they're always having a meltdown about how hungry they are after they're done swimming. Speaking of being hungry, we loved making use of the room service option because sitting in a restaurant with 4 young kids is not always the most enjoyable. And I, for one, was very grateful that they seemed to have a lot of kid-friendly options like chicken tenders, fries, and pizza. I love that you can order the room service right from the iPad in your room, so once again, you do not have to be on a phone talking to a human. We also loved ordering room service and coffee for breakfast because nothing is more luxurious than sitting in a fluffy robe with an incredible view, having your waffles and your hot coffee in the privacy of your own room while watching cartoons. Any parent with young kids knows this is truly the definition of luxury, so we certainly made use of that while we were on property.
Come on. I'm gonna take this one.
Okay, that looks yummy.
Actually,
Get you a chair? Sure.
Mama says mine.
If you like to get out in the morning or you don't want room service, you can always go down to the lobby where they have a free coffee bar you can make use of, and it has all the amenities: cream, sugar, regular coffee, decaf, and tea. There are also some on-site restaurant options, including Mara, a Mediterranean restaurant on the 1st floor, the outdoor Riva Terrace on the 4th floor, and Soka Cafe. There are several things to do within walking distance of the Four Seasons Hotel Minneapolis, including the iconic Stone Arch Bridge. This is a great spot to go for beautiful skyline views of Minneapolis to take some family pictures. You'll also see lots of local families out and about just going for a daily walk, stretching their legs. You can also visit the nearby Minneapolis Sculpture Garden where you can see the city's famous Spoon Bridge and Cherry sculpture. So that's the room tour. I hope you can imagine yourself staying here for a romantic getaway or a weekend with the kids to explore beautiful downtown Minneapolis. Think fall or even a winter getaway. Remember, Minneapolis has those awesome skyline tunnels, so you never have to go outside when you're exploring the downtown area. But I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into this brand new luxury hotel in downtown Minneapolis. Stay tuned for more from A Mom Explores. And I hope to connect with you on TikTok or Instagram at A Mom Explores. Until then, keep exploring.